Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your multifunctional steering wheel in your 2017 Honda Civic Si. So, in order to access this feature, of course, we're going to go to the steering wheel, and let's start on the left hand side first. So, this right here controls all your audio source. So if you scroll down, it's gonna go to the AM FM, Sirius XM, iPod, and Apple CarPlay. And then the left and right is to switch your tracks if you want to go back to your track or if you want to advance to another track. And this of course is your volume mode. And this one right here, you get to access all your gauges, such as your turbo gauge, your shift light gauge, your G-force meter, stopwatch, and all that fun stuff. Pretty cool. And then this one of course is to answer the phone call, decline, and voice command. And if you are in the Apple CarPlay mode, this will turn into Siri. If you have Google, it will go to Google Voice. So stuff like that. Let's see. This is your cruise control, of course. Press it on. It will activate the cruise control. And then this one could set your speed and stuff like that. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.